subscribe to our channel!
Hello everyone, for today's video, I will be showing you how to arrange this beautiful 40th birthday balloon bouquet. The balloons we use for this project is on the screen and we'll put this in the description down below as well. So now as you notice, I didn't use any balloon sizer, but for the 11 inches, I inflated them to 9 inches. Then tie them together, it turns into duplet. Then after you do that, you combine those four, it becomes quad. Just right there, just twist them together and it turns into quad. So I continue on my quad, and then after that put them on the side. Now for the spacer, this is 7 inches and we'll inflate this to 6.5 inches. Again, tie them together, it becomes duplet and another duplet, and then combine them. Now it becomes quad. This would be our spacer. I put this on top of the bigger quads and then just tie them just like that. Now after you arrange them, make sure the balloon is in between the gap, in between the balloon. So now put another quad, the bigger balloons, put it on top, and then use your curling ribbon. I tie them. Put this on top of your spacer. Just like that. And then just continue on. Another spacer. Just like that, and repeat the process. So what I'm doing now is just combining them all together, connecting them all. So just remember the spacer is in between the bigger balloons, always. It's so simple and it's easy if you do this sideways. So in total we have 6 bigger quads, and for the spacer, the smaller one, we have 5 quads. This time I'm gonna show you how to make this filler. So now this is actually 11 inches balloon. Just pump little air in there, make sure it's nice and soft so it's easier for you to squeeze, and then tie your balloon. Squeeze it like that and then make a pinch and twist. And then just twisted it like that. So you make a bunch of this and then you can connect them. Just like this, I'll show it to you. Just like that, connect them too. Just like that, any shape, and there goes your filler. Now as you can see, I have my foil balloon right here. It's the letter foil balloon. I attach my filler right there using my balloon glue dots. You can use lots of them. Now I'll do the same thing. I'll use balloon glue dots to attach those letters to the base. Then I'll just add more spacers here and there. Again, use balloon glue dots. Now as you can see, it looks more full and looks beautiful already. Now I added the HBD right there with the flowers, again using balloon glue dots. If you're new to this channel and you want to know how I made this beautiful flower, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check that out. Now as you can see, I have this beautiful foil balloon, and I will wrap this with 260 balloon for additional decoration. Now for the number 40 foil balloon, I actually filled this with helium so it'll float. I made sure that I centered it and attached the curling ribbon to the base of our bouquet. To make it more beautiful, I inflated some more balloons. This is actually filled with helium, also with a star foil balloon, to make it more beautiful. Look at that. So now it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do have a question, any suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below. If you're still here, you might as well please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is Fembam and Y. We'll see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.